So their friend told them that they tried to do the shopping cart trick and they got 3 hard inquiries. Let's get this one because it's actually done all the way. Have you ever heard of that happening? I haven't heard of people getting hard inquiries, but when someone get hard inquiries on their credit reports, it's usually from companies such as, like, if you apply for the Camping World Visa credit card, they may give you a hard inquiry. I've heard people say that about them. And that will be the not the Camping World Visa, the Camping World website with the Good Sam Visa. I heard people getting inquiry with them. I heard that some people got inquiries with Overstock, but with Overstock, don't forget they're going to ask for your full Social Security number. And I let people know that if you don't have your full Social Security number on there, then they technically can't pull your credit. So a lot of people were putting this in instead of like their full social. They'll put the first 3 digits. I mean, they'll put all zeros, 5 zeros, and then put the last word is their social security number in to avoid that inquiry with Overstock. But like I said, I've heard it for if you guys want to try to get that Camping World. If you guys try to get the Sportsman Guide credit card too, that's like a bonus. If you guys don't have the shopping cart trick guide that I have, that's like a bonus credit card I tell you guys about. But I heard some people may have got inquiries with them, and sometimes Victoria's Secrets too. So Victoria's Secrets and the Camping World, and sometimes the Overstock. But with Overstock, make sure you guys are putting this in. Like, make sure you guys are putting this in, and then you shouldn't get a hard inquiry.